Good day, everyone. I am John Lloyd P. Pagao from the Bachelor of Secondary Education 2, major in Filipino, and my tutor is Chelsea V. Pagao, a grade 7 student here in Fugaro Integrated School. Chelsea, also known as very helpful, kind, and obedient students of Fugaro Integrated School.
Magnificent creature. It was large and moved with grace, had a black head covered in a furry mane, a witty neck and a red body. When the king was restless by nature and wanted to travel to far away places. He loved hunting wild animals. So when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentang, Lasingasang nila utama and native adventurous, he was blessed by nature and wanted to travel to far away places. He loved hunting wild animals. So when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentang, which are not easy to find, he was excited and talked with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentang. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subjects had a hunting expedition that lasted several hours.
The singer sang nila utama. An imaginative adventurous king was restless by nature and wanted to travel to far away places. He loved hunting wild animals. So when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentang which were not easy to find, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentang.
Sang nila utama. Ang imaginative adventurous king was blessed by nature and wanted to travel to far away places. He loved hunting wild animals, so when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentang.
My reflection as a tutor is tutoring a tutor presented unique challenges, forcing me to adopt my teaching strategies and deepen my understanding of the subject matter. I found myself needing to more patient and creative in explaining complex concepts in simpler terms. And the experience highlighted the importance of individualized instruction and the need to cater diverse learning styles. While the experience was ultimately rewarding, fostering both and a deeper appreciation for the diverse needs of my tutor. I am eager to apply the lesson learned to future tutoring lesson, and I am very thankful to her because she have dedication. She is very willing to learn new words, new stories, something like that. And I am very thankful because lagi siyang nag-ano ng time niya para magawa namin yung mga session. And sa napapansin ko sa kanya ay natututo naman siya dahil marami na nga siyang mga alam na spelling na hindi niya dati alam at mas bumilis siyang magbasa. And I am very thankful to her family because andun din yung support nila while we conducting the duty. And that's all. Thank you.
Stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentang, which were not easy to hunt. He was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentang. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subjects had a hunting expedition that lasted several hours, slaying many wild and savage beasts, but no stags. This disappointed the king, for he had a sense of fulfillment in his heart. Suddenly, a large stag darted out of the bush in front of Sang Nila Utama, giving the king a shock. But pursuit. Number 5, fascinated. Number 6, threatened. Number 7, jettisoning. And spell mo, adventurous. Number 2, expedition.
Dapat maramitas ka sa amin naman din, sa amin naman sa basa. Tapos na ating mama, muna na ako ng bansa, ang gamit naman sa bansa, tapos kunwari, itutukan, tuwan sa Dilagos. Tapos nung period, ang gamit ng mga 5 seconds, mga 8 seconds, kasi mga 1 second lang ang mama.
To enhance my knowledge as a tutor, I would focus on continuous professional development. This includes actively seeking out resources such as workshops, conferences, and online courses, focus on effective tutoring strategies and the specific subjects I teach. I'd also dedicated time to researching current pedagogical approaches and best practices in education. Regularly reviewing and updating my teaching materials is crucial, ensuring they are engaging, relevant, and aligned with current learning standards. Finally, seeking feedback from my tutees and reflecting on my teaching methods allows me to identify areas for improvement and tailor my approach to meet individual learning needs more effectively. Open communication and a commitment to lifelong learning are key to becoming a more effective and knowledgeable tutor. I realized the importance of adapting my teaching style to suit each student's unique learning preferences and pace. What works for one student may not work for another, and rigidity in my approach can hinder their progress. I need to be more observant, identifying their strengths and weaknesses, and adjusting my explanation and exercises accordingly. This includes exploring different teaching methods, incorporating more interactive activities, and providing ample opportunities for them to practice and apply what they've learned. Furthermore, creating a supportive and encouraging learning environment is crucial, building a rapport with my students, fostering open communication, and providing constructive feedback are essential for their confidence and motivation. Ultimately, my goal is not just to impart knowledge, but to empower them to become independent and confident learners. This requires ongoing self-reflection and a willingness to continuously refine my teaching strategies.
Good day everyone, I am Jose Jenny C. from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino, and my tutee is Adimar Lorenzo from Progreso Elementary School.
Easy to hand. He was excited and talked with him great leap of
Suddenly, as it is waited head stand become to lift and
Your Highness. When he going left, the lock dire, looking order his flight to set sin and they began on the
sin and they become on them toward Hell Island. Suddenly the kings looked clear to still skies were covering but look
I realized na sa bawat estudyante talaga ay may kahinaan din, tulad na lamang sa kanilang pagbabasa at pati na rin sa kanilang pagsagot sa bawat katanungan na aking binibigay. Sa pagharap sa kamera ay mahirap para sa kanila sapagkat sila'y nahihiya. I learned this work is not a basic way kasi nakita ko kung gaano kahirap para sa mga bata na mahihain. Pero sa likod ng kamera ay nakikita ko sa kanya na hindi madali para sa kanya ang ganoong gawain. But laking pasasalamat niya pa rin sa akin dahil siya'y aking natutulungan lalo na sa pagbabasa at pati na rin sa pagsagot. Last interview with my tutor is tinanong ko kung ano ang masasabi niya tungkol sa akin bilang tutor niya at sabi niya ay ate, maraming salamat kasi ako ay tinulungan mo ako na matutong magbasa at salamat rin sa walang sawang pagpunta dito at pagtuturo. Ganon din ang kanyang ina na nagpapasalamat dahil daw sa akin ay natulungan ko ang kanyang anak na magbasa dahil irap daw talaga. Kaya sa tutor ko na si Alimar Lorenzo, maraming salamat din dahil sa iyo nakita ko ang sarili ko na mahirap pala maging guro. Sa mother niya na si Ate Marilu Lorenzo, ate, thank you dahil sa palagi mong pagtanggap tuwing pumupunta ako. And lastly, sa tita niyang si Rosalinda Kawilan, na isa rin sa nagbabantay sa amin tuwing sa bahay nila kami dumadiretso o pumupunta para kay Alimar.
Hi everyone, my name is Kalami Pilongat from BSED 2 Filipino. So, I am the tutor of Justin R. Garcia, 13 years old, student from Papat Angadanan, Isabela. He is also an incoming grade 8 this school year. Sa simula ng aming session, ang na-observe ko sa aking estudyante ay medyo nahihiya pa siya sa aking lumapit. Pero habang tumatagal, mas napansin kong mas naging active siya at nagsimulang magtanong ng maayos. Nakita ko rin sa kanya na unti-unti niyang naiintindihan ang topic na kanyang binabasa, lalo na nung nag-practice kami ng mga examples. At napansin ko sa kanya na kailangan pa rin niya ng kaunting guidance pero mas confident na siyang sumagot on his own sa bandang huli ng aming session. Kaya ang na-experience ko sa pagtuturo sa isang estudyante ay very fulfilling at nakatulong din sa personal growth ko. Habang tinutulungan ko siyang matuto, na-realize ko rin na natututo rin ako, lalo na sa pag-explain ng concepts in a simple and clear way. Sa umpisa, inobserbahan ko muna kung ano yung strengths at areas na kailangan pa niya ng improvement. Doon ko binase yung teaching approach ko. Napansin ko na sobrang importante ng patience at yung ability na mag-adjust sa learning style ng
estudyante. Mas naging effective ang session kapag komportable siya at open na magtanong. May mga times na nahihirapan siyang intindihin ng topic kahit ilang ulit ko nang na-explain. Pero dahil doon, natutunan ko maging mas creative sa pagbibigay ng examples at mas flexible sa pagtuturo. Kaya naman, naging mas confident ako sa communication skills ko, naturuan siya at mas napatunayan ko kung gaano kahalaga ang support at guidance sa learning process ng isang estudyante. Spell the word adventurous. Ayan. Okay, number 2, expedition. Spell the word expedition. Next, unfulfillment. Unfulfillment. Number 4 na.
But found no answer. This disappointed the king, leaving him with a sense of unfulfillment in his heart. Suddenly, a large stag darted out of the bushes in front of Sangila Utama, giving the king a shock. But the king quickly drew his silver dagger and hurled it at the stag, only grazing the animal. The stag.
Ano yung pinaka-paborito mong bahagi ng kwento na iyong nabasa?
Yung sa Bagyo po.
Ang saan nangyari sa Bagyo?
Sinarender po ng hari ang kanyang corona para po masalba ang island natin.
So yun yung natutunan mo na mas magiging matatag pa yung mas maging matatag pa sa lahat ng problema.
Magandang araw, I'm Angeline Bingarangad from BSED 2 Filipino. Ngayon ay kasama natin si Marie Chris Gulan, isang grade 7 student sa Angadanan National High School. So when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentam which were not easy to hunt,
There were stags in the jungle of Tanjong Bentam, which were not easy to hunt. He was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentam. When the subject looked into the distance and smiled, "That is Temasek, Your Highness. Then we are going there." The king ordered Singa Sangila Utama. An imaginative, adventurous king was restless by nature and wanted to travel to faraway places. He loved hunting wild animals. So when he heard the Bentam, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentam.
okay na? Number 7, jettisoning. Magandang araw, muli makakasama natin si Marie Chris Gulan, isang grade 7 student.
The Singa Sangila Utama.
Di ba pumunta sila sa island na Tanjong Bentam? So anong nangyari doon?
Which were not easy to hunt. He was excited and took with him a great fleet of which were not easy to hunt. He was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentam. When the king arrived, may mga words ako na hindi ko gaanong magets or hindi ko mabigkas ng maayos. Then nung tumagal na naging maayos naman na. Nabigkas ko na ng maayos yung mga words na hindi ko gaanong mabigkas. Then naintindihan ko yung daloy ng kwento.
So, in session 1 to 7 na pagbabasa, I observed that the learner initially had difficulty reading long and unfamiliar words. There were challenges in pronunciation, decoding, and understanding the meaning of what was being read. At first, the learner would often pause, hesitate, or skip words, showing signs of low confidence in reading. However, as each session progressed, there was a noticeable improvement. The learner began to read with better flow, clear pronunciation, and increased understanding of the text. Even though it's only simple and short passages, these texts were effective in helping build foundational reading skills. So, through consistent practice, guided reading, and short comprehension questions after each session, the learner started to recognize word patterns, understand the sentence structure, and grasp the overall meaning of the text. I also noticed that the learner became more focused and willing to read without hesitation. The reading sessions helped boost confidence and build a positive attitude toward reading. What's more encouraging is the feedback I received from the learner and the parent. The learner shared that reading has become easier and more enjoyable. The parent also expressed gratitude, saying they noticed big changes in the way their child reads at home, more fluent, more confident, and with better understanding. So overall, the reading sessions had a strong and meaningful impact. They proved that even with just one learner and using simple text, reading skills can improve significantly when there is dedication, patience, and consistent support.
Good day everyone, I am Marie Caris Picho Gumaro from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, a secondary student major in Filipino. My tutor is Mario Ramos, an incoming grade 7 student. He is known as industrious, jolly, and kind kid. He is also willing to learn and determined child and a learner.
Singa, dasinga, senga, nila utama na even
Imaginative,
creature,
adventurous,
king was her, restless, by nature, and we wanted to far away places. He loved hunting with wild animals. So when he heard that in there were stuck in the jungle of Tanjong Bentang, which were not easy to hunt. He was excited. Took with him our great fleet of ship of to Tanjong Bentang. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subject had a
reflection from the 7th session that I taught from my tutor Mario was that I observed that he was struggling with reading and comprehension. And that's when I realized that not all children have that intelligence to learn or analyze what they have reading, but they also have the abilities that they can enhance. Just like on our 5th session, I noticed that he was able to tell stories on his own, although he was having difficulty, but he gave his best to do it. He is the type of learner that I can say that is determined to learn, even though he is a slow learner, but you can see the determination and willingness to learn things. So even though that he make mistakes in reading and pronouncing words, but then I can see that he has the progress in the previous sessions, and it takes a lot of patience to me as a tutor to teach him. But even though I can see that he is willing to learn, I can even remember last month that he is asking me if when we will gonna conduct the next session. So on that, I feel overwhelmed on that because he is willing to learn and he is a determined child. And I would like to thank him for his patience in every session and to keep on going from the tasks and the different activities that I am asking him to do. Teaching a challenged learner is hard, but I can see that he is determined to learn, and I am willing to teach him as much as I can. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Rosa Navier from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino. And my tutor is Abigail Javier, a grade 8 student from Alicia National High School.
There was a large rock, so the king climbed it and looked the land and sea spread out around him. In the distance, he saw a stretch of white sand and island. Sang Nilayutama was fascinated by the sight of the island. He loved hunting wild animals, so when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentang, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentang. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subjects had a hunting expedition that lasted several hours, slaying many wild and savage beasts, but no stags. This disappointed the king, for he had Nilayutama, an imaginative adventurous king, was restless by nature and wanted to travel to faraway places. He loved hunting wild animals, so when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentang, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentang. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subjects had a hunting expedition that lasted several hours, slaying many wild and savage beasts, but no stags. This disappointed the king, for he had a sense of unfulfillment in his heart. Suddenly, a large stag darted out of the bush in front of the singer Sang Nilayutama, an imaginative adventurous king, was restless by nature and wanted to travel to faraway places. He loved hunting wild animals, so when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentang, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentang. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subjects had a hunting expedition that lasted several hours, slaying many wild and savage beasts, but no stags. This disappointed the king, for he had a sense of unfulfillment in his heart. Suddenly, a large stag started out of the bush in front of Sang Nilayutama, giving the king a shock. But the king drew his silver drag and hurled it at the stag, only grazing the animal. The stag began to run, and the king pursued it. In those days, it was either your feet.
So my reflection is tutoring a grade 8 student to read has been a deeply rewarding experience. Initially, I focused on identifying the root of their reading challenges. Was it decoding, comprehension, fluency, or a combination? Once we pinpointed the areas needing improvement, we we tailored our sessions accordingly. We started with phonics and sight words for decoding difficulties and moved on to summarizing and questioning techniques for comprehension. And practice reading allowed for fluency. The most significant lesson I learned was the importance of patience and persistence. Progress wasn't always linear, there were setbacks. So, however, witnessing the students' gradual improvement in reading skills, their growing confidence, and their increased enjoyment of reading was incredibly fulfilling. It reinforced the idea that with consistent effort and the right support, this experience has not only helped the student but also deepened my understanding of complexities of reading and the power of personalized instruction.
Express my heartfelt gratitude to you, my tutor, for your unwavering support, guidance, and patience throughout my learning journey. Your ability to break down complex concepts into easily understandable lessons has been truly remarkable, and your enthusiasm for teaching has made learning an enjoyable experience. Your dedication to helping me overcome goals has not only improved your academic performance but also boost your confidence and motivation. I appreciate the time and effort you've invested in me, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to have learned from someone as passionate and knowledgeable as you. Thank you for being an exceptional tutor and mentor. Your impact on my educational journey will be remembered and cherished.